If you have multiple banking cards like I do right here, and you've set them up with your iPhone to be able to use Apple Pay, but you want to change the default payment method or card that's used, well, this is how you can do it. So for me, when I double click this side button just like this, you can see it brings up Apple Pay, it scans my face, but by default, every time I authorize Apple Pay, it's this blue card that shows up. But as you can see, I have multiple cards that I want to select, and I have a better card that I want to use instead of the blue one. So every time I do this, you can see the blue one is always the default, and it's an extra step to select the other existing cards and then choose the one that I want, scan my face, and then be able to use Apple Pay. So in order to select this black one and set it as the default so that I don't have to use these extra steps of clicking, this is how you can do it. So go into your settings and go down to where it says wallet and Apple Pay. Open that section just like this, and you can see here there is Apple Pay defaults, and click where it says Apple Pay defaults, and under this section you see some of your shipping info, private info. But then at the top of the transaction default, you can see that there's actually a default card, and if I click there, now it shows me all my other cards that I have. You can actually add more than 2 cards. For me, I have 2 cards set up. I'll set up another one soon, but in order to change the default payment card from this blue one to the black one, which I want, basically just select it like that. And now you can see if I go back, it's basically done. And if I now press the side button 2 times just like this, you can see Face ID, and now this is the card that is authorized by default. So I don't have to do the extra steps of clicking other cards and trying to select the one that I need. This will help you save time, and at the same time, you know, if you are using your one hand, or maybe Face ID doesn't even work because of obstruction, then you have to enter your passcode, which is an inconvenience. So having it set to the card that you want right away will save you some time, and basically that's how you do it. Let me know what else you want to see and I'll gladly help you.